Flowserve is a manufacturer of fluid motion control products such as pumps, valves, and seals. They also offer expertise in areas such as engineering and aftermarket services.
RedRaven is the IoT solution that they developed to help monitor that kind of equipment so operators can address a problem before it actually causes a disruption in their operations.
But they also wanted people to understand that we're not selling you a sensor, we're not selling you a piece of software, we're selling you an entire suite of capabilities which can help improve the reliability in your plant.
RedRaven actually goes back to ancient mythology. We really took inspiration from how the raven is seen as a symbol of delivering information and really being able to kind of have an eye on everything.
Putting it under the RedRaven brand kind of made it easy for them to talk about as a unified offering and a unified solution for their customer. As part of the launch, there was an online event where several leaders from Flowserve spoke about the product and about its importance. One thing that isn't talked about much is that the audience that we were talking to, the internal audience, was as important as the external audience. This was a new thing for the salespeople to think about.
We wanted to make sure that we included a very extensive brand guide just so that users have a very consistent experience across platforms, both visually and with the messaging. Of course, we also dove into things like colors, photography styles, different icons and overlays that would be used throughout all of the design elements.
How do you make plant operators and managers out there aware that this product exists and is right for them? That's a difficult task, especially when your primary task isn't necessarily awareness, it's lead generation and sales pipeline growth. We ended up narrowing it down to really just two: Google Ads, so pay-per-click advertising, and LinkedIn ads. So our entire keyword mix was just very specific problems that plant operators and managers were experiencing. Because again, they don't necessarily know that RedRaven exists or even that pump IoT solutions exist. They were looking for addressing pump failure problems.
It has really helped Flowserve to kind of think differently, get ahead of customer needs in areas of optimization and energy efficiency even. So it's been really great so far.
We're starting to really kind of get some meaningful data, and they've kind of called this like the catalyst for lead nurturing for Flowserve in the future. So it's definitely a program that a lot of Flowserve higher up is looking at and considering for other solutions and products that they develop.